So find the area of the rhombus.
Yes,
Asif,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
find the area. That question
Yeah,
is?
find the area of rhombus whose
Okay,
side
okay. Just a
by
minute. I think this was the question.
yeah.
So you can read the question again one more time.
Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal.
Yes, what is the confusion here? Sides, all the sides are equal. This is 5, so this is also 5, this is also 5, and this is also 5.
Oh.
Altitude means the height from the one side to the another. How much is given? That is 4.8 centimeter.
Yeah.
Okay? One diagonal is also given. This diagonal, suppose. How much is that? That is the 8 centimeter.
It.
And you have to find the length of the another diagonal.
Yes.
So the question is clear or not?
Yeah, it's clear.
As yesterday I told you that whenever we have to find the area of the parallelogram, what is the formula of the parallelogram? Because rhombus is also a type of the parallelogram. Rhombus is also a type of the parallelogram. Okay? This figure is also a parallelogram. What is the formula of the parallelogram? Area of the parallelogram? Base into height. How much the base is there? Base is the 5. Altitude is how much? That is altitude or height is the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 5 into 4.8. So what is the answer? That is coming 24 square centimeter.
Yes.
Area of this figure, which is in the rhombus shape. And rhombus is a parallelogram.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why, because altitude is given, the height is given. So that's why we can write the formula as base into height. 5 into 4.8. I think for this only you are confused.
Yeah.
Why we are using the formula base into height? Because rhombus is also a parallelogram.
Okay.
Square is also a parallelogram. Rectangle is also a parallelogram, you know. Because all the sides are parallel to each other. That's why the rhombus is a parallelogram. Square is also a parallelogram. Rectangle is also a parallelogram.
Okay.
Clear or not? So
Yes,
that's why which formula I wrote here? That is base into height.
Base into height.
Base is how much? Base means length. This one 5. Height is how much? 4.8. I think for this only you were confused.
Yes, only this much.
We have to find the another diagonal. Now we know the formula of the rhombus, area of the rhombus. What is the formula? Area equals to half into the product of the diagonal.
Yeah.
Area equals to half into d1 into d2. Area already you have find out, that is 24. Half, one diagonal is given as 8. Another you have to find, d2 you can find.
Yeah.
So either you can reduce here or you can cross multiply 24 into 2 divided by 8, or from here also you can reduce it. Then d2 is how much? That is the 6 centimeter.
Understood.
Now clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Only I think there was a little problem here. That's why I wrote here. You will see that yesterday only I wrote here in the bracket. No, this is a parallelogram. You can also mention in your notebook. Area of the rhombus, that means the parallelogram also. So you will not be confused for this.
I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then today which question number is?
8.
8. Read the question number 8.
Mohan wants to buy a trapezium-shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice and at the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and a perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river.
Yes. How can you find this one? That is in the trapezium shape.
Yeah.
So how can we find?
Ma'am, we have to use the formula.
First, you can make the figure also. If you will make the figure, then it will be easy for you. Can you make the figure?
Yeah,
Trapezium. Trapezium figure, I think you know. Yesterday I told you.
yeah.
Two opposite sides should be parallel. This is the trapezium shape.
Yes, ma'am. Hmm. Ma'am, the area is given of the
Area is
trapezium
given. How much the area is?
10,500 meter square.
And I think the height is also given.
Height is 100 meter.
100
And it's
meters.
also given that a road side along the river is parallel to the twice of the road.
Yes. So how can we find it?
Mm.
What is the formula of the trapezium?
Half multiplied by A plus B multiplied by
What is A plus B?
A plus B is the two parallel sides.
Two parallel sides. But this is not given. This you have to find out.
Yeah.
So can you write the value of this area and height? And find the value of this A plus B.
Okay. 10,500.
Height is given. Height is given. 100.
Yeah. How can we further solve it?
No, one more thing is given. Here it is given that shape builds the side along the river parallel to a two and twice the side along the road.
So the river is twice the length
So
of.
suppose this is 2x. So this will be the x only.
Yeah.
Twice. This is also given. So instead of half, you can write here, I will write here 2x plus x into
Okay.
100.
Okay, now we can further.
250, 10,500. Now you can, I think, calculate. 2 and 1, 3x into 50.
Okay.
Completed?
Yes,
Again I
ma'am.
will tell. Again I will tell. You note down first.
Okay. Side is order to move as and from side is by 2. Ma'am, noted.
Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see again the question. First, you have to tell one thing. Question is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
I
It's
think
clear to me.
there should be no any problem in the area and height already given. But one thing is also given here that the side is the twice of this side. Suppose this is x, so how much it will be? That is 2x.
X.
And after that, I think you will not feel any problem in that question.
Um,
We know the formula area equals to half a plus b into height. Area value you can put half. One side you can write as a 2x, another side is x into 100. So from here, as I solved it, the value of x we are getting, that is coming 70 meter. This value is coming as the 70. So another side, how much it will be? That is
2
twice of it.
by
So
70.
another will be 2x. That means 2 into 70, that will be 140.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you
Yes.
will make the figure, I think the question will be easy for you. If you will make the figure, then it will be easy for you. So in the mensuration question, two things should be there. You should know the formula, main thing. Second thing is if you will draw the figure, roughly figure you can draw, no problem. But if you will draw the figure, then the question will be very clear to you.
Okay.
Okay? That means
Mm.
first you have to learn the formula. Second thing is that whenever you solve the question, try to make the figure. Then the
Yeah.
question will be clear to you.
Mm.
Okay? Read the next question.
Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in
Octagon. What is the meaning of the octagon?
8 sides.
8 sides are there. Very good.
Octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagon surface.
Yes, whole figure area you have to find.
Yeah.
And the figure is given. Eight side you have to make. Okay. This is A, B, C, D, E, F. This is G and this is H. This is given 4 meter. This is given 5 meter. This is 11 meter. But directly the area of the octagonal we can't find.
Yeah.
But if we will make this figure in the 3 part.
3 part. Yeah. First is trapezium, second rectangle.
First is the trapezium shape.
Yeah.
Second is the rectangular shape. And third is the trapezium shape again. But here you will see this trapezium and this trapezium area will be the same.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we will find the first one, naturally the second will be the same. So we can write here the first figure, second figure, and this is the third figure. So it's better that first you find the area of the rectangle. Area of figure 2, which is a rectangle. What is the formula of the area of rectangle?
Area L into B.
L into B. Length is how much?
Length is 11 and the breadth is
11. Yes. And breadth is how much?
5.
5. What is the answer? 55 square meter.
Yeah.
Okay, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me how can you find the area of the trapezium? What is the formula?
The formula is half multiplied by a plus b.
A plus B into height.
Yeah, ma'am. Here the half and a is 11, b is 5
Yes.
because the
And height
octagon
is how much?
height is
Height
4.
is how much? 4.
4.
This 11 and 5 is clear. Why it is? Because 11 is the base of this trapezium.
Yeah,
And
and
here you will
5
see AB. AB is also the parallel side. And all the sides are equal. So here you
equal
will see the one side is given 5. So that means AB is how much? That is also 5. So
5.
11.5. And height is how much? That is 4. Now I think you can solve yourself. And how many trapezium are there?
What? Trapezium.
How many trapezium are
Two.
there? 2. So total area of the third figure.
Area.
ये first figure है. This is first figure. Third figure, that is also no need to find that, you can write directly.
Yeah. Plus. Ma'am, answer is 119 meter square.
Yes, 119 square meter.
Yeah.
Question is clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
This is clear? Okay. The next one.
There is a pentagon shaped park as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure, find the area of the pentagon.
There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into the two different ways. Okay. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding the area?
We are doing 9th question, right?
Question number 9, it should be. See, it should be question number 10. This is question number 9. Question number
There is
9,
a
not
pentagon
question
shaped
number 10.
park. There is a pentagon shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding the area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area?
Clear the question?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
As the first figure, that is of park. Okay. And the Jyoti diagram, if you will see, that horizontally, no, sorry, vertical. Vertically, she draw the line AD.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? And Kavita diagram, that is horizontally.
Oh.
So how can you find the area in both the figure? First figure, what? How can we find? Jyoti's diagram. How can we find the area of this?
We can find it by trapezium formula.
Trapezium, yes, very good. Trapezium, because There you will see that
There are two parallels.
any way is given. Here you will see this is a one trapezium and this is the second trapezium.
Yeah.
And thus, I think as she divided in the equal, so you can find the area of the one trapezium only.
Yeah, one. Then
So you can multiply by the two, you will get the area of the whole one.
yeah.
For the kavita, as you will see the figure,
We will find the triangle and square.
triangle and square, very good, very good. So I think you can try yourself. This is the one triangle and this is the one rectangle.
Yeah,
So
but
can you
where
try?
are ma'am, but where are the measurements?
Eh?
Measurements.
Measurement is given in the first figure.
Oh, but
What confusion is there?
but how to, like, for the first one, what is the oh yeah, it's 15 and this is 15. Oh, okay, I got it.
This this is Jyoti's diagram. Okay, I will draw here. What is the formula trapezium?
Half multiplied by d1 plus d2. No. What do you call it? A plus
Trapezium.
b into the
Trapezium.
height.
Trapezium. Half into sum of the side a plus b into height.
Yeah.
From the first figure.
So A is 15 and B is also 15, right?
Why the b is 15?
Because it, um,
Here you will see that one side is given as a 15 meter
yeah,
and the another side, the whole length you have to take AD, which is given in the figure as a 30.
yeah.
So you can take 15 plus 30. Should I
Okay.
show in the figure? This is 15. And
That's
from here to here, how much it is given? That is 30?
30.
30. And this whole length is how much?
The whole,
15. But we will take only this much. This much part we are taking, na? This much part.
yeah,
This much. So
yeah,
half A is how much? 30. B is
yeah.
how much? 15. And height is how much?
Height is 15.
No, 15 is the whole one. We are taking the half only.
7.5.
7.5.
Ah, okay.
Can you calculate it?
Yeah, I will do it. Okay.
See, one more thing I will, should I tell?
Yes.
Here you will see the two trapezium are there.
Yeah.
After two are there, na? So half into two also you can do. So two and two will be cancelled. So you simply you can multiply 45 to 7.5.
Okay.
This is of one. You can write the another one also.
Yeah, from
That means
one.
the two trapezium are there. So you can area of the both.
Okay.
Area of both. That means 2 multiply by half into 45 into 7.5.
Yeah.
So 2 and 2 is cancelled. So 45 into 7.5.
Mm. 45.
So now I think the calculation will be easy for you.
Yeah, it's no more easy than that. Uh, 5, 3. Ma'am, from the Jyoti's diagram, the area is 33, 30, 33, hey, 307.5 meter.
337.5 square meter.
Yeah.
Okay, Jyoti's is correct. Then
Yeah,
Kavita's.
yeah, I got the same.
Now you can find for Kavita.
Yeah. Kavita. La, 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 la.
Can you tell me the dimensions for Kavita?
Yeah, square and
Yes.
triangle. Ma'am, for square, we'll take 15 multiplied by
Triangle
15.
and the square, yes. So all the sides are 15, 15, 15, 15. So this is also total is a 30. So this height is also 15. This is
Mm,
15, this is 15, this is 15, and this is 15. So now
mm,
this height, how much is that? That is 15.
that is
So
15.
find the area of the triangle, half into base into height. Half into 15 into 15.
Mm. Half,
And
half.
find second part, this area you have to find is area of the square that you have to find yourself. That add it and tell me the answer.
Yeah, okay. Mm. Ma'am, for square, we'll take 15 multiplied by 15, right?
15 multiplied by 15, yes, yes.
15. Ma'am, at the Kavita's method, I got the total the same one, 337.5 meter square.
Same
Yeah.
answer we are getting. How much is
Uh,
337 point? But here also asking, can you use the another method also?
Another method.
Yes. Here we can draw the two triangles. One triangle is here, one triangle is here.
Oh,
This way also we can find. And in each case, you will see the answer will be the same because the area of the same figure will be the same.
yeah,
Jyoti's, Kavita's, and if we will do by any method, the area will be the same of the same figure.
yeah, I understood.
Because the same dimensions are there, the same figure will be there.
Yeah.
So clear the questions?
Yes, ma'am, it's
Main
clear.
thing here, no any problem in the calculation. Problem
Yeah,
is there in the dimension only.
understood.
Because here you will see this whole length is given how much? That is 30.
Hmm.
Say side is given how much? That is 15. This is also 15. This is also 15. So for the first trapezium, as we are using the first trapezium, half of this part, half of this part, half sum of the side into height. This is 15 plus 30 and height is how much? Only 15 we have to use. Not 15, half of the 15 we have to use because this 15 is the for the whole length.
Yeah.
Two trapezium are there, so you can multiply by the 2. Half
Hmm.
into 2 because 2 are there. One is here, one is here. Okay? Half
Yeah.
into this, as you will calculate, then answer is coming 337.5. For the Kavitas, here, as vertically she drawn here we are getting the triangular shape. And this length is how much? That is the 15. So how much? Total length is 30. This is 15. So how much is left? That is 15.
Same.
This is 15 and this base is also 15.
Yeah.
So half into base into height, 15 into 15. Solve it.
Hmm.
This is coming 112.5. And this is a square in the shape. What is the formula? Side is square. So 15 is square. That means 225. So add it. As you will add 112.5 plus 225. So answer is coming as 337.5.
Yeah, understood.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the next question.
Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimension equal to 24 centimeter multiplied by 28 centimeter. The inner dimension 16 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same.
Just a minute. May I read the question? Question number 11.
The diagram of the adjacent picture frame
Picture frame has
has
outer
outer
dimension 24. Yes, 24 and 28, correct.
8,
And the inner dimension is 16
16
into
multiplied by
20,
20.
correct. Find
Yeah,
the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is the same.
yeah. Hmm.
This is given 16, this is given 20, outside it is given 24.
At the end, we have to find the total area of the figure, right?
Total area of the figure you have to find.
Oh,
Find the area of each section. Each section you have to find.
okay. Then if you found the one trapezium area, all of them are same then.
Uh, The height is given the same.
Okay.
Height is given the same as h1, h2, everything is the same. Height. So this is given 24 and inside it is given 16. So can we find the height of this one?
What, ma'am?
As you will see the lower one, the trapezium is given, na? Trapezium.
Yeah.
H1, can you, in the figure you can see H1 is given. Can you find the H1? Height is the same.
Height is
Outer side is how much?
28.
Nee, 24. For the H1. For the H1.
This one, yeah.
24. Inside is how much?
16.
16.
Yeah.
So how much it will be?
It will, but we didn't got the height.
$24. May I take it tomorrow? Today I will solve this question.
Okay.
Okay. So because I think this part, 1 minute. Diagram of the picture frame has outer dimension 24 into 28, correct. And inner dimension 16 into 20, that is also correct. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is the same. So height will be how much? 28 is the whole one. And inside it will be 20, 28 minus 20, correct. 24 minus 16, correct.
Ma'am, I think so. The height will be 4.
The height is the 4, na? Because the upper side and the lower side, both height is the same. Na?
Yeah, because
All
the
the height are. So this is coming as 28 minus 20. That is 8. And the both sides. So I think divided by 2. So it will be 4.
4, yeah.
Centimeter, meter. Same for the second one also you can find. How much it is given? 24.
Yeah.
24 minus 16. How much it will be? 8. Again, both side is there, so you have to take as 8 divided by 2. How much it will be? That is the 4 set.
I understood.
Now the trapezium, you have to find the area of the trapezium.
Yeah.
Half into sum of the sides into height. How much the side, sum of the side you have to take? 16 plus 24 into 4.
Yeah.
One case you can take this one. Second case, what can you take? 28 plus
20.
20. 28 plus 20.
And height
Into 4.
Yeah.
So can you solve this one?
Yeah, I'm going.
And how many sections are there? 4 are there. 4 trapezium are there. So as you will find the first one, same is of the third one. You will find the second one, the fourth is the same one.
Yeah.
4 are there, na?
The parallel side trapezium will be equal.
Parallel sides, it's not necessary that it is equal. It should be parallel only. So 16 and 24 are the parallel.
Okay, yeah, okay.
$28 and 20 is the parallel sides. And why we are using the half, that is also clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Because the height, the whole side is how much? 8 is there. Upside
Yeah.
and the lower side. But we have to take only the one part. That's why we are using the 8 divided by 2.
Yeah. That's clearly understood. Hmm. Ma'am, the trapezium of 24 is 80 centimeter square.
How much?
80 centimeter square.
30, why it is coming? My is coming 80 and 96.
Yeah, I also got this. 80 centimeter square and 96 centimeter square.
The same is coming.
Yeah, ma'am.
And how many are there? How many are there?
4.
4. First is 80. Then
Yeah.
third is also 80. Opposite of that. Also the
Yeah.
same.
Hmm.
Second and fourth is the same. So it will be 96.
Yeah.
Clear or not?
It's clear. So we should
Clear?
add the total or not?
No, no. Actually, in the question you can read that it is given there. You have to find the area of each section,
Yeah.
not the whole.
Yeah.
This is the
Okay.
question only. Na? You have to
Yeah.
find the area of each section.
Yeah.
So I think all the questions are over of this exercise.
Yes, ma'am. It's over.
So I think I should start the next exercise also.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is that next exercise? It was related to the area and the circumference. Only area was there, not the circumference. Perimeter was there. But the next exercise, you will see what is given there. You have to find the volume. You know what is the meaning of the volume?
Yeah, I know. The like volume is the inside space of the.
Volume is the space occupied by the body,
Oh, okay.
which will cover the length as well as the breadth as well as the height. As
Yeah.
you are sitting in the room,
Uh,
you know that what is there? There the three sides are there. What are that? One is the length, second is the breadth, and third is the height.
yeah.
And suppose we have to find the how much air is there in your room. You know that how can we find? Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. What is
Yeah.
that called? This is called the volume.
Volume.
So what is the formula for the volume? That means all the three dimensions we have to take. Length into breadth into height.
Mm.
That is for the cuboid. What is the meaning of the cuboid? Cuboid means
Um,
length is different, breadth is different, and the height is also different.
okay.
Second is all the three sides are same. Length is same to the breadth is same to the height. That is known as the cube. Then what is the formula for the volume? That means side cube.
Side cube.
And that's why the unit will be always in the cube. Suppose centimeter is given, then cubic centimeter. Meter is given, that means it is in cubic meter. So clear the volume. What is the volume? Volume means occupied space.
Yeah,
Occupied
understood.
space means which will cover the length as well as the breadth. Third is the height also. So what is the formula? Formula of the cuboid is length into breadth into height, and formula of the cube is side cube.
Side cube.
Yes. So now I think you should read the first question.
Okay. There are two cuboidal boxes such as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires a lesser amount of material to make?
So I will not tell anything to you. You have to do yourself. One is
Oh,
given cuboid and other is given cube. First you have to find yourself.
ma'am, in this question, we have to find the volume of each of the boxes
Volume
and we.
of each, yes. Cuboid
Yeah.
as well as of cube. Both you have to find.
Yeah.
Can you do it yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the
Okay.
first adjoining figure is a cuboid, right?
Cuboid, very good, very good.
So, ma'am, the cuboid volume is 120,000.
120? Not 120,000 you're saying? Okay, okay, that is correct. Per
Okay.
cube also you can find.
Yeah. So side equal to 15, 15, 0, 0, 0, 25, 2, and 10, 12, 120. Ma'am, the volume of cube is 125,000.
Correct, correct.
So
That is
the cuboid
uh,
needs less amount of things to fill it.
cuboid will take the less material. Yes, correct.
Yes.
So clear? Calculation are the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now read the question number 2.
Okay. A suitcase with measure to 80 centimeter and 80, 48 and 24 is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin with 96 is required to cover 100 such suitcase? First we have to find the volume of the suitcase, which is cuboid. Then we have to multiply it by 100, then divide it by 96. Shy.
Here you have to learn one more formula. Because as you will cover it, That means surface area you will cover.
Yeah.
Suppose this is a type of the suitcase. Okay? Where you
Okay.
have to cover it. That means the surface you have to cover. So you
Ah.
should know the formula of the volume as well as the surface area. What is the formula of the surface area? You know what is the formula of the surface area? Here I will write. That is 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length.
Okay.
This I will tell you how. This is the length and this is the breadth. How many
Yeah.
are there? 2 length are there, 2 breadth are there. So 2 already we have taken as the common.
Yeah.
You go. First surface is this one, just like the rectangle. Okay? So this surface you have to take.
Hmm.
2 length and the 2 breadth are there. So that's why the 2 I have taken as common. Length into breadth. Second, when you will change to this position. Breadth into height. This breadth into height. Again, breadth is here, height is here, height is here. Okay. Third is height into length. This is length and this is height. So height into length.
I understand.
Okay. So what is the formula of surface area? 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length.
Length.
So can you find the surface area of this suitcase?
Surface area.
Put the values and then find.
Okay. Length. Ma'am, here the length is 80, breadth is 48, and the height is 24, right? Oh, yeah.
80 into 48
Mm-hmm.
plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 8. Actually, you do a work. You leave this
Yes, ma'am.
question. One more easy questions we will do instead of that one. It is not easy question actually. So if first easy question, one more easy question we will do. After that we can start. So the
Okay.
question number 3 you can read.
Okay.
This we will leave for the tomorrow. Tomorrow we can do it. Question number 3 I think you can do. That you can tell me.
Okay. Find the side of cube whose surface area is 300 centimeter. Find the side
Surface area of the cube is here. You have to write the formula for the surface area of the cube. This is for cuboid.
Yeah.
And for the cube, you know what is that? This is 6 into side square.
6 into side square.
6 into side square.
Okay.
Now,
Equal to
now I
6
think you can do.
into